Alrighty. I gave her the phone to call her mommy, but she wants to do the most, y'all. Look at her. She wants to do the most. She said, I was ready to go. Get me up out of here. Get me up out of here. And then her sister, look at her. What are you doing? Ready to girl. I ready to go, TT. I know y'all ready to go. So I'm going to be getting this one and her sister over there by my big girl, packed and ready to go. Yes, we is. Say, we got to go. Say, we got to go. We got to get up out of here. Mm-hmm. Yep. Ready to go, bye-bye? And then that's my crew. Yeah, my personal crew back here that I painted and reborn myself. Alrighty, so I'm going to get some more pictures and then I'm going to put her up there by her sister. And look at my big girl. She looks so mad. She not ready for them to go. But, yeah. Hey, hey, oh, 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 oh. Hit that like, hey, subscribe. Oh, hey. It's TT Show. Oh, get it. Hey, get it. Oh, get it. Hey, get it. Oh. One for a girl. A bottle. All right, y'all. So, y'all, they couldn't get in the same box. So, here she go in her box. So, I had to put them in a separate box. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all their goodies in the box with her. So, they are in their boxes. But she took up the whole box, y'all. So she can't even hold her sister on the travels. But that's okay. That's all right. Yes. So we got them in 2 boxes, y'all. All right. So we're going to go ahead and pack her up. Like I said, I had to put her in this way. And her sister is not going to fit together. So she's got to go in a box by herself. Which that is okay. And then, y'all know her sister right there. Alright, so we're going to tape her box closed. Alrighty. And then, and I don't mind using a lot of tape because I like to make sure they is in there secure. Okay? Oh, you didn't bring my tape up far enough. Okay. I'll be trying to go like halfway up here so I can connect them. Oh, but you didn't know. All I did was say, take my box for me, honey. This side you did it. Alright, so don't be showing my feet, baby. Don't be showing my crust of feet. Alright. Oh, so we got sister in there. And now we're going to put all the goodies in with her. I didn't decorate that box, so we're going to decorate this one. And I'm just going to put some little thank you stickers on it. Let the mommy know I appreciate her. Because I do. Thank you all over the box. These things. 1 minute they'll stay on and 1 minute they don't. Like, it's weird. Yeah. I shouldn't be doing that though. Oh, I don't like that. That's okay. I don't put the same. I don't like seeing two the same. I wasn't paying attention. Alright, so we got her box decorated. And then she gets this, the baby get the little fake milk. And then her sister gets the little fake juice. Hopefully they don't tilt their box over doing the most. And but it's on there pretty good. You see that? Look at them. She like, look. No. Look, why don't be doing why y'all gotta do the most? She said, I don't know. Don't be back there pouting, girl. You about ready to go. She like, I don't know. Look at her. She like, I got my sister though. I got my sister. She not going nowhere. Little fats. I was gonna put her little sandals on her, but I changed my mind. I changed my mind because they're black, so we won't be on Shay. But look at her, y'all. Look. She like, ready to get up out of here, TT. I'm about to pack y'all right now. Okay? Yes, TT. All right. Little chunkiness. All right, so we got the fake juice going with them. We're going to put in their little goodies. Let's go in with them. Birth certificate. You got Alonka and then Lillian. And their mommy already has a business card. She's a repeat mommy. So, I don't want them dark colors on that. I'm going to put this light blue on there because I'll be mad y'all fade my birth certificate. Alright. And good and snuggy woogie. And that's the little shoes that I didn't put on her. She can take that with her. And they got the little hair things. Got their hair balls. And the rose for the mommy. Yeah. Her pacifier is on her. Just trying to make sure I got everything. Birth certificates check. Alrighty, and they is ready to get up out of here. Alrighty. You got all of it? I got hubby recording for me. He's doing an amazing job. Getting him into the production. You like recording, babe? It's alright once you get used to it, huh? Alright, well, so we'll be back. We about to take them to the post office. And, stay tuned. Oh, TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit that like button one at a time. Welcome to the woo 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 baby family. Oh, this is the place you wanna be, cause I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, unlimited fun. I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh. Unlimited fun. Oh, Reborn babies. Mukbang, yeah. Vlog, maybe. I'm just throwing some stuff in. Break it down. Oh.